Change isn't easy, but it is possible. And with the ongoing climate crisis threatening our future, change is more urgent than ever. Cities produce 75% of Europe's greenhouse emissions, but they're also society's hubs for innovation and collaboration, which makes them an impactful place to take action. Cities have the potential to redefine how we work and live, to protect our future. This is why the EU has launched an ambitious mission: get 100 cities in the EU and 12 in associated countries to climate neutrality, all by 2030. What is climate neutrality? It's when greenhouse emissions are low enough for natural processes to absorb them, creating a net zero output. Each of the 112 mission cities will test and implement new methods of achieving climate neutrality, leading the way for all other European cities to follow suit by 2050. It might seem like a daunting goal, but cities are not alone. Net Zero Cities will enable, connect and support cities in their efforts to reduce emissions and reach net zero. Because every urban environment is unique, we'll work with each mission city individually to identify obstacles as well as opportunities. With the expertise of world-class practitioners, we'll help design a personalized roadmap to engage citizens, finance the transition, and overcome structural barriers on the way to 2030. This is called the Climate City Contract process. A number of cities will be selected through an open call to get even more support. These pilot cities will receive funding from the EU to explore new pathways to decarbonisation and test research and innovation solutions so that other EU cities can learn through a twinning programme later on. For easy access, we'll gather all this knowledge on our Net Zero Cities online platform, a one-stop shop where all cities in the EU and around the world can find the tools they need on their journey to sustainability. Change is happening. Be part of it.